Okay. Yeah, so still working on the report view. I now have it working on all pages. Oh yeah, right here. See? So instead of the usual list view, and to switch it between report view and list view, I need to go back to the source code under the main app and change this collection view from table to list. And now they appear as a list, which is the way they work in the dev branch. And so the next thing to do is to make a switch to switch between these two views. So initially I'm going to just put in a couple of buttons, one for table, one for list, and get them to switch that way. So I do have this global state, which adds, so this state chooses between the list view and the table view. Right now it's just fixed at whatever I have there. But I'm going to pass to anyone who wants it this current collections view object in the context, the React context. And here's the collection view, which is the current setting. And this is if someone wants to change that collection view. So, okay, let's see how to do that. So every page down here, let's look at the awards page, the awards collection page. So it displays this count, which is here. Then it calls this collection content, which is everything in this content area. And it either displays this, we pass it this child array, one for each of these items. But if you have the report view selected or table view selected, then it ignores this and displays it as a table. All right, so every collection page, so all these index pages are like this. So let's take a look at collection. I don't want to change, if I can, avoid it. I don't want to change every collection page. Yeah, every collection page. So what I'm going to do, so this is where it displays either the list, where it just shows the children unmodified, if it's a list view, or the table, in which case it does this report view. Okay. So here, I think I'll just insert a new component, call it collection view switch, and okay. So now I need to implement that, and that's going to be collection view switch equals, for now, take no properties. You may not need properties. And I'm going to display that's close to what I want. So I'm going to display a button using the button component. So we country list, sure. I'll just use the text list, not that. List. Okay. And div. Okay, so I need to import from components, import button from that. Not with 3Ts though. So that button component, all it does is set view, right? Yeah. So all it does is it uses a standard Tailwind CSS classes to generate the button. Otherwise, it's just a regular button. So here I'm going to use, collection view, global context. So this, I'm going to write a new function here, const toggle view equals that. And so this is going to call collection view set collection view. Set collection view with the new value. So basically, if collection view, yeah. So if it's a list, then make it a table. Otherwise, make it a list. So on click, need to go to toggle view. No. Okay. I'm gonna get rid of this. Okay, yeah, so when you click that button, actually, was it a toggle? It was just gonna be two buttons, right? Okay. So never mind on that one. So that's table. So on click, it'll be collection view, set collection view to collection view dot list. Yeah. And this one will be table. Whoa, why is that happening? On click CIT? Huh, that's weird. So table. So I don't need this toggle view. Collection view switch. Okay, see what happens with that. Not displaying anything. Okay. So collection view switch. Collection view switch grabs the collection view and should show a couple of buttons. All right. It should be after the count. So that's the count. Here's the list. It's not showing anything for collection view switch. That's kind of weird. Let's go to components. Collection view item link count content. Oh, because right. That's only, it'll only appear in the table view. I wonder. I feel like it should not be part of this component now. that it should really be, yeah, which actually makes sense. So collection view switch, I have to modify every page then, but that's all right. I think maybe make something called collection, what should that be? Collection header. We'll give it children, which will be awards.length. So here, instead of collection count, yeah, maybe, yeah, maybe not do children, just pass it the count here. Awards.length. And then collection header, which is still alphabetic there. And then here, export collection header takes the item count and children. No, not children. Right. So I think I just call it count, which is fine. Count. And so this one we'll call collection count, which takes the count property. So first I'll do, well, just do div.flex, and we'll do collection count equals count, and collection view switch. Okay, prop types, number of items in the collection, count prop types, number is required. Collection header, displays information above the collection display. So count and the switch. Here's the switch. So that's flex, not justified between. I'll just, for now, do this, or maybe gap 4. Need to go to Tailwind, CSS, gap. So I want it to be like 5 pixels. Yeah, 4 should be enough. Gap -1. So that's the button separation, and for here, it'll be justify between. And that's only on the awards page, I believe. Yeah. And then table. Okay, there's a crash collection view. undefined. Collection view undefined. Global context. Current collection view. Current collection view. Sort of a long name. Current collection view. Okay, see what happens with that. Table, there you go. And list. Table, list, table, list. Okay. So I really want these to be icons. Yeah. Okay, so other things to do on this come from the mechanisms that collection component controls the switch. That's done. So I need to add icons, and well, I kind of did the switch already. Save switch in session storage, put borders on. So for this stream, I'll do this step, and I'll do the others off stream. Right, so let's look at heroicons. Heroicons. And we'll look at list. Oh, interesting. They have one called collection. Okay, so list. So view list looks good. So I'm going to import view list icon, and also for a table. Is that what I want? I guess that's what I want. So that'll be table icon. And let's look up button here. So I have this icon button here. Takes a click handler, type, class name children. Okay. Okay, so I want a button dot icon. I don't remember how this worked. Oh, okay. So here instead of list, I'll put list icon. And here I'll put table icon. What did I do wrong? Expected closing tag. So button icon as a child is list icon. How is this not closing? Sure, that's closing. Table icon, view list icon. Yeah. View list icon. Oh, that didn't help. What's the issue here? Button dot icon. Oh, right. Dot icon. Yeah, there we go. That's probably not the style I want, and I need to put in a little gap down here. I think I'll probably want more of a clear icon instead of these blue ones, and I'm not sure I'll want the round parts there. But yeah, so those are how we do button icons. They still work. I may want to show the currently selected one, or I may just want to toggle. I don't know. I'll figure that out. So anyway, short stream today, and I'll see you next time, probably on Monday or so.